As of late 2025, programming your Chevy Silverado key fob depends heavily on the model year. For 2015 2023 models, DIY programming is often possible. Newer 2024 Plus models, especially with Digital Key Plus, may require dealer assistance or the My Chevrolet app. To add a remote on compatible models, ensure your vehicle is off and unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on-run position without starting the engine, and then back to off 5 times within 10 seconds. This enters programming mode. Press and hold the lock button on the new fob until the doors lock and unlock to confirm programming. Repeat for additional fobs within 30 seconds. To erase all remotes, repeat the ignition cycle and press unlock on an existing fob twice to clear all programmed fobs. Remember, incorrect attempts can trigger the alarm, and OEM fobs offer better reliability than aftermarket options. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting towards digital keyless systems. GM's Digital Key Plus, available on 2024-2025 Silverado models, allows smartphone-based access via the My Chevrolet app. This app enables remote unlocking, locking, and starting the vehicle. Post-2022, GM implemented enhanced security features like rolling codes and encrypted pairing to prevent unauthorized duplication. Looking ahead, expect the complete elimination of physical fobs in GM vehicles by 2030, replaced by blockchain-secured digital keys. While digital keys offer convenience and enhanced security, potential cybersecurity risks such as Bluetooth exploits remain a concern. Staying updated with GM's OTA updates is crucial to address firmware glitches and maintain optimal key fob performance. Always consult your owner's manual or a dealer for model-specific advice, especially for newer Silverado models.